Today we will be unboxing a new product received from Amazon, which is a stabilizer. As you can see in the image, this is the V-Guard Elegna 1000 series. So let me open this. It's quite heavy. There is not much information on this. We have the details here. The MRP of this product is 6599. I guess I bought it around 5500 or something like that. Usually the V-Guard website itself provides it in a, the cheaper, in a better price, but since the delivery was faster on Amazon, I got it from Amazon. So let's unbox this. I don't know whether it was supposed to be like this, but what I could see, the plastic wrapping, safety wrapping is outside and the product is outside. Let me put this box aside. So here is the product, that is V-Guard Elegna 1000. I don't know whether I'm spelling it correct. So here I guess it has a small black and white display kind of thing. They just added to remove the sticker after installation, power monitors, some things. Here we can see there is some kind of air vent kind of thing, so I guess it's for breathing. There is a little bit of dust all over the product, as I could see, but I don't see any kind of damage. We have the warranty seal here, and the socket which is here, means symbol. Unpin this. Yeah, here is the socket. Let's plug in the socket. Yep. If we flip this around, we could see the product specification here. This is Elegna 1000, capacity is 6 ampere, working range, time delay, etc, etc. So actually I have bought this for my new refrigerator, which is Samsung 653 liter side-by-side refrigerator. Here is the product barcode and serial number. I'm just covering it. I could see dust all over the place, but it doesn't feel like it is used. Yeah, that's it. A bit heavy. Yep, that's pretty much we got in the box. I don't know about this. Yep, that's it. Thank you.